Okay, so we got Racing Mower Rebuild or whatever, part 2. I already tore everything apart. Saw last vid. So I thought I'd have to extend the frame 6 inches and forward, but I figured out if I flip the engine around, I think I can barely make it by like an inch with the shaft being 6 inches in from the frame instead of extend 6 inches. Yeah, so the shaft is going to be about here. Airbox will be on this side, and same with the exhaust. I'm going to cut a hole right where the star is, right here. There's going to be a hole, and the exhaust is going to go out that way. And it shouldn't interfere with the belt. But I got this engine running actually. I forgot to start the video. I got the engine running, put oil in it. No oil. So I threw oil in there, now I'm pulling the muffler off, and then I already got the motor mount bolts out, and then I'm going to pull the engine out, set it on there, and then I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like, so let me pull this out quick. Okay, so, got it pulled, mower right there. Anyways, why did I say that? Whatever. Got the twin out, it's really heavy, just lifted that right up onto there. Looks sketchy, but it's balanced. It's stable on there right now. So yeah, now gotta get that over. Ouch! Gotta get that over here. I'm gonna lower this down a little bit. Set it in here. Kind of make sure, just see if she fits in there. That a little bit. Just kind of set it in there and see how well it fits, and see what modifications I have to do, and we'll go from there. So that's where I'm at now, so let me pull it over here and set it in there quick and see what we can do from there. Okay, sorry about the heater, I got the engine thrown in here. It's looking pretty nice actually. I got the airbox is gonna go right here, but once this whole thing needs to be, we need to put spacers under there where that bolts onto the frame. Raise that about 3-4 inches, so then the airbox will fit in there just fine. That's fitting just perfect right on that clutch pedal, and also this can have a little bit of wiggle room, maybe the more that way, something like that. So that clutch pedal actually won't get stuck on the block. It's working great in front. I can move forward another 2 inches even, so I'm getting plenty of room in here. I didn't think it'd fit this easy, but I guess it will. And then this block's fine because this is higher up than the other one, obviously, because the shaft, they have to be next to each other. This one's higher up, and I have plenty of room for my foot in there. So this is fitting a lot better than I thought it would. Yeah, the engine still needs to be centered a little bit, but yeah. So that's it for right now. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry it's a short video, but I did everything I wanted to do. Stay tuned for the next video. The next video I'll probably have the engine mounted and start moving all this stuff up, that kind of crap. So yeah, so stay tuned for next video. That's really cheesy what I'm saying, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna start working on this engine, and I'll see you guys part 3.